Saying goodbye to hatred has become a major goal in our area for the past several years. Helping to make this goal come true, Junior High West held its 5th annual Unity Walk on Sunday, October 12th, as a project for No Place for Hate.
No Place for Hate is an initiative of the Anti-Defamation League that works to help schools and communities become more respectful, inclusive environments, and to challenge and reject hatred and bigotry.
Although hatred is not something new to our society, overcoming the fear to conquer it is significantly increasing.
Years ago, people seemed to be fearful of doing something of this nature, but time goes on and changes are made, and certainly the fear of many people not fearing anymore. And so therefore, it's great to have this Unity Walk because it brings all people together, different cultures, et cetera, et cetera.
Showing their support and strengthening the unity in the word community, hundreds of local citizens and various organizations all came out to join the ceremony. Numerous stands and activities were set up to help convey the reoccurring message of unity. Such activities included arts and crafts, face painting, live music, moon bounces, and team building activities. An original play titled The Not So Ugly Duckling was also shown to convey more good messages to the crowds.
The play was about that we can all be different and maybe not even like things about other ducks, but we always have to be nice.
At around 2:30, the ceremonial walk officially commenced. Temporarily closing many streets in town, this 1.2-mile walk started and finished at Junior High West. Having burned many calories, the community felt good physically and mentally for having helped come together to support a common cause. And although the sign said stop, nothing could stop them from fighting for unity. This is Troy Bauer for Bash TV News.